Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to be unboxing the Lookfantastic March Beauty Box. So this is what it looks like this month. Really nice box design, I really like this one. And we get the magazine inside which tells us all about the products and how much they're worth. And there isn't an Elle magazine, I don't believe, anymore in the beauty boxes. So the sneak peek for April's box is eyeshadow palette from the brand Bellapierre. It's the Peach Blossom palette, which is worth £29. So this is it here. It doesn't actually show you the shades inside yet, so I believe like that's what it's going to look like on the outside. Like at first I thought it was like a blush, but it does say it's an eyeshadow palette, which just get 3 shimmers and 1 matte inside. So looking forward to that. There's quite a few products in this month's box, which is really good. So the first thing I'm going to start off with is these here. These are the Hair Burst Chewable Hair Vitamins. So these are like little gummies that are packed with vitamins to give you healthier and luscious looking locks. They also help to protect your hair from heat styling, like hair dryers, straighteners and things like that as well. It's a 15-day supply. There's 30 inside and you take 2 of them a day. So I'm actually going to take some right now. It says that research was done and 98% of the users noticed that their hair grew faster. I'm not really looking for my hair to grow like faster really. I'm just looking at the kind of benefits of it for, you know, protecting your hair from heat styling and things like that, because I do use my hair dryer and straighteners on my hair once or twice a week. So yeah, I'm just going to use basically take them for that really. So I'm going to take, it says take 2 of them. It says to take them in the morning really before you eat, but whatever, I'm going to take them just now. And it says it also contain biotin, vitamin B6 and B12, selenium and zinc. So that's them right there, if you can see them, just like little midget gems. Actually really tasty as well, like really fruity, which is nice. So I'll definitely keep taking these because I like the taste of them. So it's going to make it so easy for me to take every day, and then we'll see what kind of results I get. So yeah, that's the first thing we get, and these are worth £12.49. Okay, the next thing we get is this eye cream here from Madara. It's the Time Miracle Wrinkle Resist Eye Cream. So this is that it targets the signs of tiredness and aging, as well as fine lines and wrinkles, and its smooth formula hydrates the eye area to reveal younger and more radiant looking skin. That's what it looks like right there. So this, I have a bunch of eye creams right now, and I'm using one right now from iMovie, which is really nice. So I think this one I can give to my mum. Like, I just want to smell it first. Yeah, like smells nice. Like, don't really know what's in it. Let me see if it tells you. There's a bunch of words on here which I don't know what they are, but it does say that this cream targets signs of fatigue, crow's feet and fine lines. So yeah, like this is worth £35, so an expensive eye cream. Eye creams are always really expensive, so it's good that we have this in the box. The next thing we get is another hair product from Gorgeous. This is their Repair Strengthening Hair and Scalp Mask, which is supposed to give you thicker and more nourished locks basically. There's also ingredients in it that helps to lock in moisture, giving you more silky soft hair. So that's it right there. So it is a mask, so I believe you just apply it, let me just check, apply it for 10 minutes onto damp hair and then just rinse it off. This will be good for people with quite fine hair, I think, because it says it's going to give you thicker looking hair. But also good for people with thick hair like myself, because like it's got like strengthening benefits in it there, like just to make sure your hair is nice and strong basically. So yeah, this here is worth £3.75. It is a 30ml. Okay, the next thing we get, I'm really looking forward to trying, because it's the Rodial Bee Venom cleansing balm. Like, I always wanted to try something from the Bee Venom range from Rodial, so I'm excited for this. It does say it is a brightening cleansing balm sort of thing, so it basically brightens your complexion. It has bee venom in it here, which is an anti-aging wonder ingredient that smooths your complexion, plumps fine lines and decongests your skin of any dirt and impurities. So yeah, this sounds really good. I've been dying to try something from this range, like I said, and I believe they've tested this out in the in the booklet here. Yeah, there's a little section here where it shows you someone using it. So yeah, it looks really good. Really excited to give it a go. I love that it says it's going to give you a brighter looking complexion. I love kind of like products like that. So I'm going to squirt a little bit on my hand here. Yeah, so it's a little bit of a thicker formula, because obviously it says it's a, what is it there, a balm to toner. Yeah, so it does feel a little bit thicker because it is like a balm kind of texture. It feels good, like it feels really nice, really smooth. I would love to see how it looks on my skin though. I love the fact that it says gives you brighter looking skin, and I'm sure it's got vitamin C in it, I believe. I seen that somewhere a minute ago. Where did I see it? Yeah, it's got vitamin C in it, and also E. It's also got melatonin, peptide and jojoba oil in it. So yeah, really excited to give this a go. I've always wanted to try something from the Bee Venom range, and this is a 20ml worth £13. The next thing is Ritual's Nurturing Shower Oil. So that's what it looks like right there. I like Ritual's body products, like their shower products are really nice. So it says here that this is Indian Rose and Sweet Almond scented. So I can give it a smell. Oh, it smells really nice. Like, yeah, just a really nice, soft, fresh smell. Like, yeah, that's really nice. It's a nice, I don't know, really nice, fresh, calming, soothing smell. I like that. So it says it's going to leave your skin feeling soft and your mind at ease. We just pour a few drops onto the palm of our hands and massage all over our body in circular motions. And then upon contact with water, this oil changes to a luscious foam, leaving you feeling clean, refreshed and smelling delicious. So yeah, basically a shower oil, but you can use it as like a shower gel or a shower wash, something like that. So yeah, it smells really nice. I'm looking forward to using it in my next shower. And that there is a 75ml worth £4.90. Next thing is a product from Elizabeth Arden. This is her Super Start Skin Renewal Booster. So it's a little product like that. And it's a 5ml. So what is this? It's a really teeny product, designed to restore your skin's natural ability to repair and renew. The Elizabeth Arden Skin Booster is perfect addition to your skincare routine. Its fusion of super ingredients have resulted in over 90% of women agreeing that it helped their skin look less damaged and irritated. Right, basically it's kind of like a serum idea. Yeah, you can apply it probably before your moisturiser. I do have the Elizabeth Arden Ceramide capsules. Oh, they're really good, like really good skincare products. So I'm excited to give this a go. And I like things that are kind of like serums and things like that. I just feel like they absorb really well into my skin and my skin takes well to them. So it'll be interesting to see how this one goes. And yeah, this is a 5ml like I said, and it's worth £7.50. The next thing we get is a lip cream or liquid lipstick from Bellapierre. This is the Kiss Proof Lip Cream in the shade, I think the shade is Incognito, I think it says on the bottom there. It's not actually in the book, so I don't know if it's like an additional product that's been put in there by mistake or something this month. But anyway, I'm not going to complain because this looks amazing. It looks like a great shade for me, like a kind of pinky nude shade. You know I'm all about that. So I'm going to take it out here and swatch it. So I'm going to swatch it just about here. Oh, this looks fabulous. Oh, I love the shade. This shade looks amazing. I think it's a matte formula. Like, it feels quite matte when I applied it there to my hands. Well, it says a cream, doesn't it? Like a creme. So it's probably going to be a bit more of a moisturising matte formula. I think I'll try it on my lips right now. So I'm just going to take this off. Oh yes, I love the shade already. So that's the shade on, and it's a really nice shade. I like it. It is a bit more of a drier formula. definitely on the matte side, because it does say that it is kiss proof, so obviously it's going to have to dry down a bit so it doesn't transfer basically. But yeah, so a really nice shade, feels a little bit drying, so I'm actually going to apply my lipstick on top just because I like a creamier formula. Like, it's a really nice shade, I think it's a really nice formula and everything like that. I just prefer like a kind of glossier creamy finish on my lips, so with this I would probably apply maybe like a little gloss on top, just because I just love my gloss. I just love how it makes my lips look a little bit bigger when I have a gloss on rather than a matte shade, but than the matte finish, sorry. But this shade is really nice, I like the shade. I'm just going to apply a little bit of my lipstick on top. My lipsticks went a bit brighter there because of obviously that other shade underneath, but like whatever, we're at the end of the video, so that is the last thing that we get inside the box. I would love to know the colour that you get, but the colour I got was Incognito. They might be the same in every single box. Not too sure how much that's worth, but I think they're maybe £15 or £20 for one of those Bellapierre lip creams. I could be wrong, but I think it might be somewhere around that. But anyway, so that is it for this video, guys. That's everything that we get inside the March edition beauty box. I'd love to know what you think of the products inside this month's box. I'm really excited to try a good few of these products, like the Bee Venom from Rodial looks great. The hair vitamins will be great. It'll be great to see what they do for my hair over the 15 days. Eye cream sounds amazing, and the other shower gel and the other hair product look great as well. If you're looking to grab yourself a box, and I will leave my discount code down below in the description box for you, that will get you 10% off your first box, and also you can get 10% off your overall cost of a 6 and a 12 month subscription plan. That gets you a little bit more money off because you're paying up front basically for 6 or 12 months. But yeah, so I'll leave the code to that down below and also the information to that. There is a couple other boxes and things like that available at Lookfantastic right now, like including their Mother's Day box, and also there's a limited edition one from Estee Lauder, so I'll link them down below as well if you're interested in them. I'm sure the Mother's Day box is worth over £250, which is amazing. So yeah, I will link them down below as well in case you're interested in those, guys. But that's it for this video. I really hope you liked and enjoyed it. If you did, then give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and I'll speak to you very soon in my next video. Bye.